iPhone 14 Max uses a 120Hz screen from LG. No longer reliant on Samsung, Apple will reportedly use a 120Hz LTPO display from the iPhone 14 Max from display supplier LG. Last September, it was rumored that Apple would replace the mini variant to the Max variant with the bigger screen in the upcoming iPhone 14 series. This is reportedly due to poor sales of the iPhone 20 mini compared to other variants that have bigger screens. Further, this upcoming iPhone 14 Max is likely to feature a 60Hz LTPS display, as Samsung is Apple's sole supplier for the 120Hz LTPO display. To note, Apple in the past had to use a 120Hz screen exclusively from Samsung. However, recent industry developments indicate that may not be the case. Based on a report from PhoneArena, quoted from Gizmochina, 28 December, Apple now has enough space to equip the iPhone 14 Max variant with a 120Hz LTPO screen. The news comes a few days after LG succeeded in producing a 120Hz LTPO display panel. LG is reportedly getting a sizable order from Apple for the screen. With LG entry into the Apple iPhone display supply chain. Samsung's monopoly was effectively broken. Giving the Cupertino-based company the freedom to negotiate. In addition, the iPhone 14 Max, not the iPhone 14 Pro Max, was previously rumored to be coming with a 6.7-inch screen. This screen will be as wide as the iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, the iPhone 14 Max will be a cheaper alternative and will therefore lose out on some of the features and specifications offered in the more premium variant.